This is a video about notes and how notes work. I'm going to be talking about it using a keyboard. So if you play an instrument like piano or like bells or chimes, then this video will probably be pretty helpful to you. So if you look at a keyboard, it kind of looks like a lot at first because it's 88 keys, and that's a lot of keys. But if you look at it closer, you'll see it's actually just a pattern. So the pattern you can see is with the black notes. It's sets of 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. Every single one of those sets of 12 keys, it's the same. It's just, it goes up an octave, which means that it's higher, but it's the same notes. Like this is a lower C, and here's middle C. And they're the same note, they're just in different places. So if we shrink it down, we can look at just one set in the pattern that repeats. So here's this note. The note C, that's right under the set of 2 black notes. Looking at the white keys, it just goes in order of the alphabet. So we have C, and the next is D, that's between the 2 black keys. E, F, G. G is where it stops, and it starts over at the very beginning of the alphabet. So then we have A, B, and then C again. So really, the names of the notes go A, B, C, D, E, F, G. And then it starts over. It doesn't go any further than that. And you can see that where we ended up, if we look at 2 sets of the pattern, we started on C down here, we went up the pattern, and we ended on C again. And you can see that the pattern repeats. It's the same notes, it's just an octave higher. One thing that might be a little bit confusing is the fact that the note that we use to get our bearings is the note C. In fact, it's middle C, which is just about in the middle of the keyboard. So this note is C, just like this C and this C, but it's middle C because it's in the middle. If you play glockenspiel, first of all, you don't get white and black notes to help differentiate. But if you look at the piano and the glockenspiel side by side, those black notes, they're in the same place. They're above, and you can still see the sets of 3 and the sets of 2. So you can still tell where C is, which is right below the set of 2, and you can see D, E, F, G, A, B, C. So the pattern is the same, it's just on a different instrument. And the pattern repeats just like on the piano. It's just smaller and it's sort of clipped. Sometimes on a bell set, the pattern will get chopped in the middle on the ends. On this particular set, it ends on F, which you can tell because there's a set of 3. And F is always on the end of the set of 3 black notes. I have also seen glockenspiels where it ends on a G, and that's a little bit trickier to find because it will cut off one of the black notes in the set of 3 and it will look like a set of 2. But you'll still be able to tell it's an F because you can tell where the C is. So you can just count down B, A, G, and you'll know that it's a G.